It's like Dungeons and Dragons, so it's kind of role-based, open world, and you can play cooperatively, so you can play in a team.
Like stem cells?
Like stem cells.
How did it feel when you got the call or the email that told you you'd won this Gairdner Award?
I was in shock.
There's, of course, more than one way to do it, but he's found a very successful way of doing that. So watch Paul.
Or don't.
Oh, I left my thing out and it grew mold and I discovered penicillin, right? So
Right.
although those stories are super cool, having an inquisitive and curious mind so that when you see weird results, the thought process of, oh, I want to try and figure that out more, not, oh, it didn't work, let me throw it out.
Actually, I think most people didn't know what epidemiology was for the longest time until COVID most recently. Commonly mistake me for dermatology. Are you a skin doctor?
If many people know this, that you two are married. So which came first, the science or the romance?
What's your go-to snack?
I love apple and peanut butter and cheese, like together.
Sorry.
Yeah.
What?
What are you going to YouTube or
I
something?
believe that's the plan, yeah.
Seriously?